You know, wisdom is much higher than knowledge. You know, there's an intellectual Sufi, Ashfaq Ahmed from my country I belong to. He tells his own story. He says, I passed secondary school examination in very good marks, and I got admission to a very prestigious school in Lahore, big town of our country. And his mother said to him that before you leave, you must leave uncle. You must meet uncle. And that uncle was what you say, one who mends the shoes. What do you call it? Cobbler, yeah. So, but he was a poor man, cobbler, but he was a wise man. And all the people of the town had a respect for him. So he says that I went to see him and I told him that I am going to Lahore to study. He said, okay, I wish you good luck in Lahore. He says after a few months, when I came to my village on holidays, now I was a student of Government College Lahore, very prestigious institution of Lahore, and I was a proud man. And I had no intention to meet the uncle, the cobbler. His mother again and again pushed him that, did you go to see your uncle? He said, finally I went to visit him. And the cobbler was mending the shoe. He said, Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Where you live now? He said proudly, I study in Lahore in Government College. He said, oh, my dear son, what do you study in the college? And he tried to impress him that we have studied in the college that the fly, small flies, they have got eyes with thousands of lenses all around. You know, if a fly is sitting here and you try to attack it, it finds you from this side also, that side also, from above also. It has many lenses in the eye and it gets the reflection from every side, and a fly can see in different directions. The cobbler, while mending his shoes, said, what to do with these lenses when finally it sits on the stool? You got it? It sits on the filth. The flies, where they sit? On the filth. You know, knowledge is knowledge. Wisdom is wisdom.